Overall, ChargePoint stock appears to be rallying within a longer-term bearish trend. Yesterday it lost around 5%. Today again, that is today the 17th of November, it's down, you can see 28.75%. This is because the company is expecting a smaller revenue relative to what is expected by the broader market. So as a result of that, market participants have swarmed on it, and they have they're taking their money off the table. You can see 1.728 million shares have crossed the tape so far in this pre-market session, and we have on its chart here a couple of projections. This is a daily chart, and we have this downward projection of around 1.77%. Statistically speaking, the probability that it will get to that price, or the probability that it will close below this $1.77, which is, I believe, the next downward projection from where it is, the probability that that will occur is around is less than 50%. Less than 50%. We don't exactly have an exact figure for that. That is because we are using a couple of averages that are a bit too distant from each other. A couple of we used a couple of the parameters we are using in this case are a little bit far from each other. This 1.77 projection, it doesn't really have any relatively close moving average. As such, that's why we are getting a vague probability here. But it's just an indication that because it's maybe because it's been rallying before now, but at least as of Wednesday the 15th, it was showing strength. As of Tuesday the 14th, it was also showing strength. Even on Wednesday, even Tuesday, it was showing strength as well as Monday as well. It was so I would say in the last 5 trading sessions, 3 out of those it's been positive. So maybe that is why it has statistically looking like it's not very likely, not highly likely, that it will trade all the way down below 1.71, but probability that it will hold above 3.31, which is where it closed yesterday. It's okay. We can actually try and determine that. We were going to use a data point of around the last 20 trading sessions. So we take 3.31 and 3.31. Let's see what we're subtracting. We subtract this is ChatGPT. We have the formula. We have the average. We're going to use that average is the closest average to where it is. We can use a couple of them. Let's use that average. Okay, let's use this average of the one below, 2.96 minus 2.96, we have 0.35, and then we have the standard deviation here. Let's get that deviation. Standard deviation of let's see, standard deviation of okay, 0.2855 divided by 0.2855, we have 1.225, so approximately 1.2. And then we come to the Z table. The Z table gives you an indication of how many standard deviations it is away from the mean. Okay, so 1.22 is going to be here, so 89.07%. so that's the probability. So the probability that ChargePoint stock will okay, the probability that it will at least be around where it is right now, or below 3.31, which is around below 3.31, just roughly around that sort of price range, is 88% or thereabout. Let's get that again. 88 1.22 is 89.07%. yeah. So far 1.79 million shares have crossed the tape. It's down a further 1%, so down 29.07%. The company has disappointed the market with its projection of what its revenue is going to be. So we can see here Needham has cut its price target to $4 from $8 and maintains a buy rating. So ChargePoint down 29.07%. See what you make of it, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.